Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make the viral marshmallow popcorn. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 10 cups of freshly popped popcorn, which is roughly 1/2 cup of unpopped kernels. Also, have 5 cups of mini marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and a small pinch of salt ready. These simple items are all you need to create this delicious snack. Next, it's time to melt those marshmallows. In a large pot, melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. Once the butter is melted, add your 5 cups of mini marshmallows. Stir constantly until the marshmallows are completely smooth and gooey. This step is crucial for a consistent coating, so don't rush it. Remove the pot from the heat as soon as they are fully melted. Now for the fun part, combining everything. Pour the warm, melted marshmallow mixture directly over your 10 cups of freshly popped popcorn in a large bowl. Using a spatula, gently fold and mix until every piece of popcorn is thoroughly coated. Work quickly, as the marshmallow will start to cool and become sticky. An even coating ensures that delightful sweet and salty balance in every bite. Finally, it's time to let your creation set. Spread the marshmallow-coated popcorn onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Let it cool completely at room temperature for about 15 minutes or until it's no longer sticky. Once set, break it into delicious clusters. This viral treat is perfect for sharing or for enjoying all by yourself. Store any extra in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.